Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Ashwini. Today we are going to see a project called Homestay Booking System using PHP and MySQL. This is a project developed by our team Parthenium Projects. Here you can see the platform. This platform is used to find your stay in a given place. Let us see the demo of this project. Before seeing the demo, if you not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. This is the home page. First, let us go to the admin login page. I'll give the admin ID, password, click on login. This is the admin page. The first option is dashboard. In dashboard, you can see cab bookings 3, customers 6, feedback 4, food category 2, food orders 22, hotel 2, hotel facilities 4, hotel image 3, items 3, location 4, payment 8, room booking 73, room types 8, spa service 2, spa service booking 19, staff 5, vehicle type 3. These are the different options in dashboard. Let us see the options one by one. First, we saw the dashboard. Next one is staff. This is about the dashboard. Next is staff. Under staff, we have add staff, view staff. First, we are going to add a staff. I'll give the staff name, staff type. Need to select whether admin or employee, login ID, password, confirm the password, click on status. I have given status as active. Press submit. Here you can see staff record inserted successfully. Press OK. This is about adding the staff. Next, view staff. Here you can see all the staffs. You can see the staff name, staff type, login ID, status you can see. Here you can see Rohan I have added. This is the staff I have added. If you want to delete, directly click on delete. That staff will be deleted. Next, location. You can add location, view location. Click on add location. First give the location name, then choose the location image. Give the description about the location. Status has active. Then click on submit. That particular location will be added. You can see location record inserted successfully. Next is view location. Here you can see the location. Location image, location name, description, status you can see. This is the record which I have added now. Next one is hotel. Under hotel you have different options here. First I am going to show add hotel. Under add hotel you have to select location first, then give the hotel name, hotel type, which type the hotel is, 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. Give the hotel description, give the hotel address, give the pin code of the hotel. Next, give the phone number of the hotel, give the map, give the hotel policy, then click on active, then press submit. That particular hotel will be added. Next one is viewing the hotel. Here you can view the hotel, hotel name, hotel type, hotel address, status and action you can see. Here you can edit it, delete it, or view more options about the hotel you can see. Next, you have adding room type. Here you can add room type. First select which hotel it is, then select the room type. Single bedroom, double bedroom, you can select according to that. Maximum adult, you can type whether it is 2, 3. Maximum children's, you can enter 1, 2. Cost of the hotel, room number, and click on the status as active. Press submit. That particular room type will be added. Next, viewing the room type. Here you can view the room types. You can see the hotel name, room type, number of adults, number of children, room number, cost, status and action you can see. Next is adding hotel facilities. Here you can add the hotel facilities. First select the hotel name, next room type, facilities given to that particular room, choose the image of the facilities, click on status as active. Facilities are nothing but different facilities provided for the customer, those who come and stay, whether it might be a spa, food services, gym, yoga, etc. Next one is viewing the hotel facilities. Here you can view the hotel facilities. These are the hotel names, room type, facilities given, TV, Wi-Fi. These are the different facilities. Facility type, TV with DTH, Wi-Fi, TV, Wi-Fi facilities. Then you can see the status. Last one is action. If you want to delete any of the facilities, you can delete over here. If you want to edit it, you can edit. Next one is adding hotel images. Here you can add the hotel images. First select the hotel name, then select the room, then select the room type, choose the photos, one or more photos, give the image description. You can describe the image, whether that photo is about the room or bathroom or hotel. You can give the description about the image, select active, then click on submit. That particular image of the hotel will be added. Next one is viewing the hotel images. Here you can view the hotel images. Here you can see the hotel name, hotel type, hotel images, image description, status and action you can see. This is about the hotel. Next is vehicle. Here you can add vehicle and view vehicle. First we are going to see add vehicle. Here select the hotel name, then select the vehicle type, whether it is two-wheeler, three-wheeler, or you can give car, jeep, different vehicle type you can enter. Choose the image of the vehicle, click on cost per kilometer, select status as active, press submit. That particular vehicle will be added. Next one is view vehicle type. Here you can see the vehicle image, hotel name, hotel type, vehicle type, cost per kilometer, status and action you can see. Next one is food items. Here you can add the new food items. Click on hotel name, click on item name, food category. You need to select veg, fast food, or you can add up one more category as non-veg, and you can add up the food item. Choose the image of the food, give the description about the item, item cost, select status as active, press submit. Next one is viewing the food items. Here you can view the food items, image, hotel, item name, food category. Here you can view the items, image, hotel, item name, food category, item description, item cost, status and action you can see. Here you can see the all the food items. If you want to delete any of the food item, you can delete it. If you want to edit it, you can edit it. If that particular item is not done today, you can go to edit and click on inactive. That particular item will not be shown in the menu. Next one is adding food category. If you want to add a new food category, you can add it. Give category has non-veg, note, select the status and click on submit. That particular category will be added. You can add any category, North Indian, South Indian, veg, non-veg, according to your food item or food type. You can add up the category. Next one is viewing the food category. Here you can view the food category. Here you can see the food category, note, status and action. This is about food items. Next it is spa service. Here you can add spa service or view spa service. First one is add new spa service. Here select the hotel, which hotel you are going to add the service. Next, service type, which are the spa services you are going to give. One by one you can add it over here. Click on gender, give the description about the service, choose the image, choose the service cost, click on active has status, then click on submit. That particular spa service will be added. Next one is viewing the spa service. Here you can view the spa service. This is the image, hotel name, service type, gender, service description, cost, service cost, status and action you can see. This is about viewing the spa. Then last one is report. In report you can view customer. Here you can view all the customers and their details. Customer name, address, city, pin code, contact detail, email ID, status and action you can see. Next is viewing the room booking. Next you can see the room booking. Here you can see the room number, hotel, room type, customer, booked for, booking date, cost of the room, action you can see. Here click on receipt, you will get the receipt about the particular customer. Next one is food orders. This is the food order report. Here you can see the bill number, hotel, customer, food order date and time. This is number of item ordered, total cost. And if you want to click on action, in action you can see the receipt. You can click on receipt. This is about the viewing the receipt. You can see the hotel address, customer name, their address, food item, order date, food item, cost, quantity, total you can see. If you want to print the receipt, you can print the receipt. This is about food order report. Next is view spa service booking. Here you can view the spa service booking report. Here you can see the spa service booking report. You can see the bill number, hotel name, customer, number of service booked, cost and action you can see. If you want to view the receipt and print a receipt for the customer, you can come here and print the receipt. Next one is viewing the cab booking. Here you can view the cab booking, bill number, room number, customer name, vehicle type, booking date and time, viewing the location, viewing the from location to location, kilometer, cost per kilometer, total amount and action you can see. If you want to print a receipt, you can click here and view the receipt. If you want to print it, you can print it over here. Next one is viewing the payment receipt. Here you can see the payment receipt, bill number, customer, transaction type, payment date, payment type, card number, CVV number, card expire date, total amount paid, you can see it over here. Next one is viewing the feedbacks. Here you can view the feedbacks given by the customer name, hotel name, feedback, rating and action you can see. This is about the admin login. You can see the home page over here. These are the food, rent a car, spa, services, about us. This is about the homestay, about the hotel and contact detail you can see. Here you can view the contact detail. Next is profile. Under profile you can see the staff name and login ID you can see. If you want to update any of the information you can update it. Next one is change the password. Give your old password, give your new password, confirm the password, click on change password. Password will be changed. Next one is logout. If I click on logout, it will come out of the admin panel. Next is account. In account, you can register and login. This is the customer registration page. I'll just give customer name, customer email ID, password, confirm the password, address, city, pin code, phone number, click on register. Here you can see customer registered successfully. Next is here you can see the customer login page. You can see the account. You can see the room booking report. Here you can see the room booking. Since this customer has not booked any room, the entry is showing empty. Next one is food order. You can see the food order detail. You can see the food order report. Since none of the food is ordered, it is showing empty. Next one is spa booking, view cab booking, payment report. Here you can see the payment report. Next one is cancellation of the report. If you have cancelled any of the facilities or any of the cab or any spark service, any book, any food item is cancelled, that report will be generated over here. Click on home page. Here you can search. Here click on which hotel you need. Then click on the location. You need to search a location. Click on service. You can view the rooms over here. Next one is here you can search a hotel. Next you can order a food item, rent a car, book a spa or beauty parlor. Next one is account. In account you can see the account details. Under account details you have profile. You can see your profile. If you want to update any of the information, you can update it. Click on update. Next one is change password. Click on old password. Next one is account. In account you can see the account details. Under account details you have profile. You can see your profile. If you want to update any of the information, you can update it. Click on update. Next one is change password. Click on old password. Click on new password. Confirm the password. Click change password. Password will be changed. Next is logout. This is about the homestay. Password, click on your password, confirm the password, click change password, password will be changed. Next is logout. This is about the homestay. Customization of the project is done by our team Parthenian Projects. The contact details are given in the description box. You can contact us. If you like this video, please. Next one is account. In account, you can see the account details. Under account details, you have profile. You can see your profile. If you want to update any of the information, you can update it. Click on update. Next one is change password. Click on old password. Click on new password. Confirm the password. Click change password. Password will be changed. Next is logout. This is about the homestay. Like the video, share it with your friends, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.